It is time for another late night nail art tutorial. It is currently 1:20 a.m. My boyfriend is sleeping and I need to try to get this done without waking him up. My plan is to do nail art with only dotting tools. I used this peel off base coat, which is why you see a bit of white here and white here. I think I put on too much, so just ignore that. I'm going to start with this bad boy. Well, I'll deal with that later. I messed this up. Look at that. And now this looks really bad. There's a lump in it. That's so irritating. Okay, unfortunately, I think I'm gonna have to go in with 3 coats. 3 thick coats. Oh wow, I didn't realize I did that to my thumb. Crap. I'm going through it, guys. What I really love to use is acrylic paint or nail art. I'm going to challenge myself to only use nail polish, but I love acrylic paint. It's so easy to work with. Ooh, look. When you twist it, it looks like it's moving. Look at the twist magic. Anyway, this is one of the dotting tools I have. I got this from Amazon. I went to Dollar Tree and they had this dotting tool. I have white polish. Boop, boop, boop. Boop. Frenchiest of tips. Have this dark green. This color here. Isn't he cute? I'm going to use this red and then the green. It's cute. At least it's cute to me. Totally understand if you're like, ew, it's ugly. Let's make some ornaments. Oh, quid me twee, oh, quid me twee. You are a quizmas, quiz me twee. Guys, look what I did. I can't yell because he's sleeping. Ah! Let's do some surgery on this French tip. Ooh, it's bad, fam. We can do this. It can be fixed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty irritated by this finger right now, so I think if we made this a bit thicker, that'll help the pinky look a little better. Did that fix it? Does it feel like we should have a third one? I'm asking you like you can actually answer that question. It might be a terrible idea and I might regret it, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I just feel like there should be 3. So I'm kind of regretting that I put this there. I know how to fix it. Put more. Just having an absolute party on my middle finger. Oh, I just poked myself in the freaking eye. Full open eyeball poke. Well, even though I did the French tip in white, it's gonna turn green. It's supposed to be uneven because the wreaths are uneven. It was obviously on purpose. Stop judging me. I'm going to put little snowflakes in the air. The wreath needs a bow. We're gonna put some snow on the inside of this one. Really rich, that is stupid. Let's put on some top coat to really seal the deal. This took me 1 hour and 20 minutes to complete, including all the mistakes. I think it came out pretty good for only using a dotting tool to create all of this. What do you think? I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'm gonna get some sleep, so I'll see you next time. Bye.